Columbus 911. What is your emergency?
It's my wife. This is our honeymoon and she's missing.
For how long?
I'm not sure. I woke up during the night and noticed she was gone. Not only that, there's a strange woman in the bed.
Strange woman?
Yes, she's still sleeping, so I snuck into the bathroom to call 911. I don't know what to do.
And you have no idea of who this woman is?
I have no idea.
Please describe this woman.
You know when you see before and after photos?
Yes.
She's the before. She's no Barbie. More like Chucky. Scarecrow hair with a cookie dough face and no eyelashes. She's nothing like my wife.
What is your wife like?
Gorgeous with long blonde hair, luscious eyelashes, and silky skin.
Is that it?
This woman also has pretty bad breath. Think expired tuna.
Is this the first time sharing a bed with your wife?
Yes, we decided to save ourselves for marriage.
Well, bless your 18th century hearts. So is your wife's toiletry or makeup bag in the bathroom?
Yes.
Please tell me approximately how many items are inside.
I see 50 or so items.
Don't take this the wrong way, but are you from a small town?
How did you know?
Lucky guess. Now listen carefully. Go back to bed and don't get out until you hear that bathroom door close and then open again. Trust me, that stranger will go back to where she belongs and your wife will be returned to you.
You sure?
Absolutely. Another thing, when your wife is around 50 years old, you may again encounter a strange woman in your bed.
Seriously?
Yes, and please don't call us again because that woman's not leaving.